Hey everyone! Today we are going to make chicken kung pao, so let's get started. For the process, we are going to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper to the bowl of chicken pieces and mix them properly. Next, we'll take about a cup of oil in an iron wok and heat it. We'll start by adding the chicken pieces to the oil. Then we are going to fry the chicken on a high flame. We'll keep on frying the chicken until it starts to change its colour. When the chicken is half done, we'll set it aside in a bowl. Moving forward, we are adding an onion to the same iron wok and frying it. We are adding some chopped scallions and some chopped garlic and sauté them. With that, we'll also add chopped ginger to the wok. After a minute, we'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar, 3 to 4 teaspoons of soy sauce and half cup of chilli sauce. Next, we are adding some chopped red chillies to the sauce. After that, we'll take about half cup of water and mix it with the sauce. We'll add the chicken pieces to the wok, which we set aside earlier. We'll add half cup of corn flour slurry to it and keep on stirring. After that, we'll add red bell pepper and the remaining scallions to the wok. We'll garnish the chicken with a cup of peanuts and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. We'll give it a final toss and garnish it with sesame seeds. And there we have it. Authentic, home-cooked chicken kung pao. Plate it and serve it. And we'll meet again in the next video.